Welcome to Final Voice TV, where we bring history to life. In today's episode, we dive into the remarkable journey of Ghana's fight for independence. Get ready to uncover the untold stories, the heroes, the sacrifices, and the triumphs that shaped the first sub-Saharan African country to break free from colonial rule. The Gold Coast, a land of riches and resistance. Before it became Ghana, this West African territory was known as the Gold Coast, a land coveted by European powers for its gold, cocoa, and strategic location. But behind the riches lay centuries of exploitation. The British formalized their control in the 19th century, but resistance was never far away. From the Ashanti Wars to local uprisings, the spirit of defiance burned brightly. Fast forward to the early 20th century, Western education and urbanization bred a new generation of African elites. They began to question colonial rule and demand change. In 1947, the United Gold Coast Convention, or UGCC, was formed, its goal self-governance. Among its young members was a fiery man named Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah and the CPP. Kwame Nkrumah soon broke away from the UGCC to form the Convention People's Party, or CPP. His message was simple: self-government now. Nkrumah was jailed for his activism, but his popularity only grew. In 1951, while still in prison, he led the CPP to a sweeping electoral victory. Learn more about Kwame Nkrumah in the following video. Over the next few years, the Gold Coast inched closer to full independence. Nkrumah became prime minister in 1952. With negotiations, political pressure, and legislative assembly debates, the dream was becoming real. Finally, on March 6, 1957, the Gold Coast became Ghana, freedom at last. Crowds gathered as Nkrumah declared, "At long last the battle has ended and Ghana is free forever." Ghana's independence inspired liberation movements across Africa. It was more than a national victory, it was a continental awakening. Ghana's independence influenced Pan-African congresses, African leaders' meetings, and the raising of African flags across the continent. Though Ghana's journey post-independence has had its ups and downs, its place in history remains unshakable. Until next time, keep exploring history. It's closer than you think. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more powerful stories from African history. Drop a comment below. What moment in Ghana's independence journey inspired you most?